Okay, what's that? What's in the book? What's this? A pig. What's the pig say? What's that? Rooster. What's a rooster say?
Do.
All right. What's that? Cow. What's the cow say?
Moo.
Moo. What's next? What's that? A sheep. What's a sheep?
Bah.
Good. Hold on, we're not done yet. What's that? A duck. What's the duck say?
Quack.
Quack.
We'll put it aside.
Good job. Do we have any other animals?
Dog de Quito.
There's a dog. What's the dog say? What's the dog say? What?
Woof.
Woof. There you go. What else? What's a kitty cat say? What?
No.
What?
Meow. He said.
Meow. There you go.
Jackson, you're silly.
He is silly. What does a piggy say again?
Oink. That's what it says, Jackson.
What's a piggy say? What's a horsey say?
Bee.
What?
Bee.
Nay. What does a mouse say? Oh, that's not what a mouse says. You're just being silly now. And Bella thinks it's funny, don't you? What's a rooster say? Oh, too close. Got it all. What's a rooster say? Kiss? Hmm? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.